What's up, guys? Got a new stash update. Some pickups. Not a lot, but just want to show you guys. Let's get to it. We'll start with this. Just got this in the mail today. Took a while to get. About 3 weeks, but finally got it. She's huge. It's for the 6 inches. Nice quality. Can't wait to shoot that shit off. Put this down. Then I got this. Good price. So how to get it? Let's open this up. Don't know how many shots. But it's a good one for sure. Push up to the side. We got this one. The dogs. Another dog to the collection. Cool. 100 shots. Let's push this to the side. Ugh. Then I was lucky to get a case of this. The artwork on this shit's sick, bro. Three-inch. Pretty dope. 2-1. The Corona. Oh, it's the color version too. At least that's what they told me. On to the next. We got another case. CT, they wrote on it. CT. I think everybody knows what this is. For one. Pretty dope. I was glad to see that it came with artwork, because you guys know a lot of shit's coming in just brown wrap. So I was glad to find this one. Got one more big boy. Gotta make some space. Hold on, let me put this down real quick so I can pick it up. Shit's heavy. Alright. Damn. Was excited to find this one. Nice piece to the collection. For sure, if you know, you know what this is. Comes this paper. Match. 2-inch. Can't wait to let this sucker off for sure. Those were my pickups. Hopefully get some more soon. Hope you guys like it, and hope you guys are getting your stuff into. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.